Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are making party meat, which is this is chofi that turkey wings that I've washed and cleaned nicely. I'm going to cook it. So I'll be using my thyme, Italian seasoning, some oregano, and I've got annaseeds in this one. It's annaseeds I've poured into this little pot. So I'm going to blend all this with my onion, some peppers, Scotch bonnets, garlic, and ginger. So it's one of the boys' birthday today, so we are going to enjoy our meat with some fried yam. So I'm gonna cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we fry it and I show you the sauce. So I don't want this to be very fine, so this is how it goes. Guys, I just chop onions into two and I just drop them in there. So if you take your meat off before frying it, the good thing is it doesn't, like, the oil doesn't splash on you. So guys, to finish our sauce, I'm going to add in my onga season in there. A little bit of hot pepper because I want it to be I want the sauce to be spicy. And everything that I'm going to add it in. There we have our meat, so I'm going to put them in a sauce. Thank you very much for watching. This is how I do my party trophy. This is turkey wings, so this is how I do mine. It tastes nice, it tastes lovely this way, so you can try it. It's one of the boys' birthday today, so I decided to go ahead and make this for us to enjoy with our fried yam. You can use it as a side dish, whatever you want to eat it with, you can go ahead and enjoy it. So God bless you, and I'll use this opportunity to say a very big warm welcome to all my new subscribers. God bless you.